right, let's see it.
Come on, Johnny.
All right. Hey, it's dad to you. What up, Team Huck House? So today we are finally going to be riding bikes. What are we going to go do?
Dirt jump.
The dirt jumps? So the Frisco Adventure Park opened up. They have some incredible little jumps there, especially for Roman. And then they have some pump tracks and stuff for me to get used to my bike again. However, my bike's tire is not looking too hot. So we're going to take it to a shop real quick and see if they can get the tire back to being full and sealed and whatever the bike needs. To the bike shop, and then we're going to ride some mountain bikes. I'm Dad.
No, you're Johnny.
No, I'm not Johnny. I'm Dad.
No, you're Johnny.
He's gonna get his butt kicked. All right, we're at the bike doctor, and we're not gonna bring the camera inside because I'm not a big fan of vlogging in stores and things. I think it's super awkward. Like on the mountain, I'm in my home place. I feel comfortable. In stores, in public, that's not really the mountain. I feel a little awkward. I'm not gonna lie. How do you feel? Get your finger up your nose, dude. Gross. All right, so we went into the shop and we did a lot. One of the big things we did is we bought a bike mount because I was sick of jamming this thing into the back of the FJ. It just doesn't fit very well in the FJ, especially with the car seat, and then we'll get a second car seat with the new baby. So we had to make this investment because I do want to make a lot of mountain bike videos for you guys. So blam, we got this guy. I don't know the name, the model, none of that. I was just like, I need a bike rack. He was like, this is the one. This will be linked in the description if you need a bike mount. Because the Instinct Rocky Mountain isn't a hardtail, I couldn't get the cheaper bike that doesn't do like the wheel thing, because it's a pretty nice bike. Now that the bike's up, the weather looks like it's starting to get a little nasty, but we're still gonna try and send the bike park, right, my dude?
No, the crick in my cup.
I also did get the touring bindings for the split board. If you didn't know, I have the Orca Split. I'll have that board linked in the description if you know what I'm talking about. It's the Travis Weiss Pro Model split board. We're trying to get into split boarding, especially around this time of the year, because it's sick and because we were trying to do more snowboarding. And so we found the bindings my size, which is really hard because I got tiny feet, still here in the store. It's the only piece of split board gear they had left. It's because they were size small bindings and no one has size small bindings. All right, are you in the car yet? I'm just talking a bunch. Here, enough talking. Let's get to the mountain biking. All right, guys, so it's actually the next day. We got rained out, but now it's gorgeous and we're gonna have a ton of fun, right, Roman? Yeah, look at all that dirt. Now I also traded Bobby in for Kenny and Daniel. They went snowboarding today. It's gonna be a sick day. Get these bikes off the back. I learned also to put a bag on your seat so your seat doesn't get wet. We're learning. Alright guys, so before we really jump into today's video, it's actually sponsored. Shout out to getting a sponsor. So Casio sent me these cycling gloves. There's the C10s. These will be linked in the description. These gloves look sick. I know they're cycling gloves, but I mean, bike gloves are bike gloves. And I just got new grips on the bike, so these are gonna protect my hands today. We're gonna do a review on them. They already feel incredible. The initial review, I haven't rode with them yet, is that the fact that this is nice and thin and breathable is so nice. So you're not, it's hot when you bike, so my hands aren't gonna get super duper hot. I like that the fingers are showing. Some people like to ride full gloves, some people like to ride fingerless. I prefer fingerless at the moment, but I'm not a great mountain biker. There's also an air vent in the middle, which is super nice. So once again, just breathability, and you got some super solid pads here. So let's test out the pads, see if they're sick. Thank you so much for sending me the gloves. These once again are in the description. I'll give you guys feedback throughout the day of riding them. Just so you guys know, there's 4 main talking points that they have on the back here though. It's the SBR shock absorbing pads, the anti-slip grip, which is this nice little grip right here, durable microfiber fabric, meaning it can breathable and everything. Then they have the anti-loss connection grips, which are these little like things right here. You attach it so you can like put it through your bag, whatever, so then you don't lose your gloves, which is super sick. All right, enough talking. Let's go bike. All right, you ready to ride? Look at Kenny, he's running for the shot. You want to go first?
Yeah.
All right, you go first, I'll go second. Let's do it, okay? Oh, get control. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh. Okay, you don't have to do that one. Hey, we fall down sometimes. I got you. I got you. It's okay. Settle down. There we go. Hey, we fall down. It's okay.
Yeah.
You okay though? You're tough.
He's one tough kid.
Tough Roman. Daniel missed the shot. All right, Roman's killing it. I'm gonna go try and give it some of the bigger jumps a shot real quick. Oh. Okay, so honestly, that felt pretty good for the first day back on the mountain bike. I'm not the best at it, but this little dude crushes it. So I'll wait for Roman to catch up. Let's talk about the gloves. They're feeling great. So these are brand new grips, so they're pretty brutal, super grippy, mixed with this grip, that grip, feeling really good. And I'm not good at mountain biking, so I'm white knuckling these handlebars so bad. So if I wasn't wearing gloves, I'd definitely get blisters. You ready, dude? Yeah, dude. All right, Kenny's gonna give the jump a shot. Kenny, would you like the helmet?
Yeah, can I borrow the helmet?
Yeah. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yeah. Send it. Yeah, Kenny. Dude, Kenny's good on everything. He's coming for you. He's coming. Run, 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 run. Crush it. Now you want one? He wants one more.
One more.
He's claiming backflip. Oh, you almost died. Kenny decided to go for the bigger one. Hit front wheel first. Whoa!
Oh no! Oh.
Oh, yo. Hey. Hey, you're okay. Hey. Hey, come here. Hey.
I don't love it. I don't love it.
You don't love it no more?
No. Do it.
Calm down. Breathe. Come on.
No.
Breathe. You're not going to be good at everything all the time. Sometimes you got to work hard. It's okay to fall. Daddy falls all the time. You're okay. Come on, you know it's fun. You said you loved it.
No.
You don't love it no more?
No.
You want to get back on your bike?
Yes.
All right, let's go get your bike. Let's do this. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
We all fall down, and we're going to fall down a bunch while we do these sports. It's okay, dude. We all fall down. I got your help. There you go. Send it. Vroom, vroom, vroom. You're fast, dude. All right, little dude finished the run is what we love to see, but he's saying he's done. So I did want to go up to the top and do 2 top to bottom runs real quick, kind of get a feeling back for the mountain biking, because then the next step is like, let's go do some trails and things and like ride some gnarly, like, you know what I'm saying, with the camera shaking like crazy and all that kinds of stuff. So yeah, let's go knock these 2 runs out real quick, and that's the real reason why these guys are here. You're babysitting. Well, toddler sitting. I don't know. Good luck, guys. He's already mad.
We get paid in high fives and shout outs.
And hugs. And data boys.
Mostly data boys. Mostly data.
All right, let's see if how far I can pedal up before I gas out. If you've never been to Frisco Bike Park, this thing is impressive. Especially if you're a good mountain biker. This hill gets me every time. All right, beginner flow trail. I haven't done this since last year. I think I remember it. Let's find out. Catch my breath. Also, Frisco Bike Park has the best view. Look at that. I don't know if you can. The sun is so bright. Here we go. Berms. I used to hit this jump. Oh, we jumped it. There we go. Another berm. Another jump. All right, here we go. Feeling good on the jumps. Not on the berms. Berms scare me so bad. Ooh. Now we got the whoopies. Whoop, 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 whoop. Into some smaller jumps. We got this one. And this guy. We're gonna just skip these. Jump this one. Oh, it's definitely got an air. And then ride over this guy. He's not in the right gear for that. Last berm. All right, this is a great time of the video to mention, drop mountain bike tips in the description. I'm trying to get better and I'm not that good. We're working on it. Technically this is my 3rd year mountain biking, but I've only done it like 10 times, 20 times. I have no idea. I have a mountain bike playlist. Look at Peak 1, check out the mountain bike playlist. And I gotta go up this thing, and I'm sure Kenny's filming Roman a little bit, so let's cut to what Kenny has filmed of Roman, and I'll be at the top.
You're crushing it, Roman. Roman, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Good choice. With chocolate sauce?
Yeah.
What about sprinkles?
Sprinkles, yeah.
What about gummy bears?
No,
No gummy bears?
it was sprinkles.
Oreos?
No, sprinkles.
Just sprinkles. That's why they're paying the big bucks. Except you have to run further. MVP. MVP. Roman, that means you're the most valuable player.
Basketball.
Basketball? Are you gonna play T-ball?
Yeah.
Hi, Jonathan, I took some pictures for you if you want to check them out.
All right, we're at the top of the trail. I'm sure Roman was absolutely killing it like he always does. And shout out to Kenny and Daniel for helping out. This is not the normal format that I do these bike vlogs. I normally have a GoPro attached right here looking at me so you guys can see my face. I'm not this like ghost of a person, but Kenny's got the extra camera filming Roman. But all the stuff I use to film the bikes content, as well as my bike or any of my snowboard gear, because that's what most of you guys know me for, snowboarding content, is linked in the description. All my gear. I breathe so heavy on a mountain bike. I need to get into shape. But the bike is feeling great. Once again, shout out to Sun Ski Sports for tuning me up. And it's the Instinct Rocky Mountain. That's the bike that I'm riding right now. It's not my bike, I'm borrowing it. One day we'll get a mountain bike. All right, here we go. Let's go check on Roman in. Got the berm. If you were good, I'm not. You could jump right here into this and then berm this one real hard. And then you got this nice jump right here. Ooh, we did good. We jumped that. Both wheels off. Berm. Taking it high, taking it high. Then we got jump right here. All right, there we go. And then we got another berm. This one's a little scary to me. And this one, they're steeper. So like I feel like I'm leaning down a lot. And we got whoopies. 1 whoop, 2 whoops. Okay, there's a lot of whoops. We're not gonna count them. All right, this is a good jump. Into another jump. All right, pump these. Hit this one. Okay. I want to pedal into this, but I'm wrong gear. Ugh. Whoop, whoop. We got a berm, we got a berm. Oh, I almost died. Oh, I almost killed myself right there. Too much front brake. See, I'm scared to even, I don't remember how to gear, to ride down this thing right here, this little drop. Oh, so scary. How you doing, Roman? You crushing it? Good, dude. Hasn't stopped?
Favorite superhero, favorite movie, favorite food.
Let's go. Kenny and Daniel are out of here. Kenny made our resort map, by the way. If you didn't know, we have the map of the United States with all the ski resorts. We have to go around every resort in the United States. If you click the green ones, you get to see where we've ridden and all this stuff. Kenny's the man, basically. Check out his channels in the description. Daniel has a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna throw that in the description because Daniel's the man. He let us rip the mono ski if you missed that video. It's right there with the sun, like hiding in the sun. But these guys rock. Where do you want to go? You want to go this way? I'll follow you. All right, let's see it.
Come on, Jonathan.
All right. Hey, it's dad to you. Ooh, that's very scary. Ha ha ha! You high five, you're crushing it. Pound it, lug it, put it in your pocket. Alright, Chipmunk, let's send it, dude. Let's go. Dude, that last jump felt super good. Yeah, we gotta go eat dinner. We'll come back. We'll come back and do the dirt jumps.
Why?
Let's ride. One more.
One more?
One more. You talked me into it. One more. Yeah, so this one's really chipmunk. Last one was like squirrel. This one's really chipmunk.
This one, that one's, this one's chip.
Oh, that rock squirrel, this one's chipmunk? That's pretty smart. Send it, dude. Super Roman speed.
Come on, Johnny.
Oh, it's dad to you, dude. Calls me Jonathan. Dude, you did so good. You were right behind me. All right, this way. Dude, the local kids were ripping and they watched the channel. So hyped. We'll go ride with them maybe this season. What are you gonna do with that big rock? Oh no, we don't throw rocks, my dude. Not cool. Yeah, we could put 2 bikes back there.
Didn't mine go over there?
When you're bigger.
Bigger? Did my bike go right there?
Yeah, when you're bigger, your bike can go right there. Hey, high five, you crushed it today. All right, dirt jumps were sick, right?
Oh.
Oh yeah, your knee. Let's go get you a Band-Aid and a snack. He's getting tired. His knee got busted, but that's what happens when we do extreme sports. Hey, get that out of your mouth, that's dirty. But with that, Team Guys, thank you so much for mountain biking with us today. That was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. More mountain biking videos to come. Once again, this is not our normal format. I have no merch for mountain biking. We'll figure it all out as we go. But overall, excited to get back on the bike, and then we'll get out on the bike a lot more this summer.
The bike or something on the wheel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I have no idea what he just said. But with that, Team Guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bike ride.
Yep, with another video.
Not video, you do not.
Okay. What are you saying? Are you speaking English?
And the,
Oh, you're on the phone?
yeah,
Well, that's what I can understand.
that was so cool.
You're so cool.
What the people
We're supposed to end this video. Bye.
Bye.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.
I'm going to say that slamming on skis is not even bad at all.